Hey, what's up guys? Mike from Soundoftristate in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Just wrapped up this 2020 Toyota Tacoma for a remote start. Most people think of remote starts for the winter time, but I just wanted to remind everybody how beneficial they are in the summer as well. Our client here has a newborn baby. He's looking to keep everybody cool. It's blistering hot out here right now, so remote start with AC makes total sense. So what we did here was a Clifford unit. This system has a 1 mile two-way remote, which you can see here. The nice thing with this remote, it will show you what's going on with the remote start and the vehicle. So for example, you can see that the door is currently unlocked. I just pressed that button. This remote's rechargeable. It's got a USB right on the side. It'll tell you if the vehicle is remote started. It'll also tell you how much runtime is left. And then this remote here is the one-way system, or the one-way remote. That one will just give you lock, unlock, start it. It's meant to be a spare. That one's 1,500 feet of range. So the other cool thing with this truck, this is a manual transmission. A lot of people don't know we can do them on manual cars, and not only can we do them, but we install them the proper way, which is safe, where they won't start. I want to show you the process real quick of how you set up a manual transmission remote start. So if you're going to be starting the car, say you're parking the vehicle at night or at work, and you know you're going to be using it for the remote start, all you need to do, you're going to put your foot on the brake when you're parking. So you're already going to be doing that. You're going to pull the emergency brake up, leave the car in neutral. All you have to do from this point, you're just going to press the remote start button on the remote. You take the key out, the vehicle stays running. That lets you know that the car's in neutral. Couldn't get out if it's in gear. What happens from here, as soon as you press lock, I'm going to show you on the remote here, vehicle shuts down. You can see that on this two-way remote, you can see the little shifter there. That lets you know it's actually set up for a remote start for the next time you're going to be leaving with the vehicle. The cool thing with this is, if you were to go in the vehicle, say you forget a bag or you unlock the car and you go in, it cancels out the remote start. That way, in case somebody hits the gear shift, it's not going to allow the vehicle to start in gear. No one's been in the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and start it. You press the button on the side, the lights flash, and then from here, vehicle starts up. You can see on the remote, it tells you 12 minutes. That'll count down. After the 12 minutes of runtime, it's actually going to shut off. You can start it again if needed. So really cool feature. Anybody who needs anything like this, please give us a call, 610-328-0.